In the silent darkness between stars, scientists have just detected something they cannot explain. It isn't a comet. It isn't an asteroid. It isn't a planet. What they found looks disturbingly artificial. In fact, according to early analysis, it looks like a ship. The discovery began with a routine survey using deep space telescopes. Astronomers tracking faint reflections in the infrared spectrum noticed a shadow cutting across the field. At first, they assumed a glitch, maybe a cosmic ray strike on the sensor. But when the object appeared again, this time with clearer edges, they knew it was something more. The readings showed symmetry. Long, straight edges, angles that nature rarely creates. And strangest of all, its trajectory wasn't chaotic like most interstellar rocks. It was smooth. Controlled. For weeks, researchers ran tests to rule out natural explanations. Maybe an elongated asteroid like Oumuamua, the famous interstellar visitor of 2017. But the data didn't fit. This object wasn't tumbling randomly. It seemed to shift orientation as if stabilizing itself. Asteroids don't do that. Comets don't do that. Ships, on the other hand, might. The team hesitated to publish. The word ship was avoided in official drafts, replaced with phrases like *anomalous structure*, or *unknown reflective body. But off the record, many admitted the same thing. It doesn't behave like anything we've ever observed. The mystery deepened when radio antennas picked up faint pulses near the object's location. They weren't strong, more like whispers buried in cosmic static. Yet the signals were structured, repeating rhythmic patterns unlikely to emerge from random background noise. To some, this was the moment speculation became possibility. Something out there might be transmitting. But the object doesn't behave like an ordinary beacon. Instead of broadcasting widely, the pulses seem almost directional. Focused. And on several occasions, when telescopes locked on, the signals shifted as though the object noticed it was being observed. This led to a chilling theory whispered in internal reports. What if it isn't just drifting? What if it's watching? Imagine it. A craft older than humanity itself, parked silently in interstellar space, waiting for emerging civilizations to reach a level of technology where they can finally detect it. Not an invasion fleet. Not a visitor. A sentinel. A watcher. And here's where it becomes even stranger. Spectroscopic scans suggest materials unknown to science. The surface absorbs radiation in unnatural ways, reflecting just enough to make its outline visible. Thermal readings show no heat signature. It does not radiate energy like a machine should. If it is a ship, it is operating at an efficiency so advanced that our physics cannot comprehend it. Engineers compared the dimensions to known spacecraft. Even conservative estimates place its size at hundreds of meters. Possibly more. That's larger than any vessel humanity has ever built. And yet its mass is strangely low, almost hollow, suggesting some kind of exotic material, lightweight, resilient beyond anything we can manufacture. The questions multiply. Who built it? How long has it been there? And most importantly, what is its purpose? Some argue it could be a derelict, an abandoned relic from a civilization long gone. Others believe it is active, deliberately hiding, waiting for a signal. The truth may be far more unsettling. What if it has already detected us? What if our telescopes, our probes, our radio transmissions are exactly what it was designed to notice? This isn't the first time strange objects have been found. From Oumuamua to mysterious fast radio bursts, the universe has teased us with anomalies that hint at intelligence. But this discovery feels different, more deliberate, more precise. Because this time, the evidence doesn't just suggest an anomaly, it suggests design, and design means intention. Governments are already aware. Quiet meetings have been held. Some agencies insist it's nothing more than an unusual rock. Others behind closed doors are preparing protocols for first contact scenarios. If the public were told the full extent of the data, panic could spread. After all, if it is a ship, then somewhere out there someone sent it. For now, the object drifts silently, far beyond our reach, visible only as a faint shadow and a whisper of radio static. But every day, it grows harder to dismiss. Every day, the evidence mounts. The universe is not empty. The void is not silent. And somewhere, hidden in the endless dark, there may be a ship, watching, waiting. So now the question is simple and terrifying. Did we just discover proof that we are not alone? Or did something far older discover us first? Tell us what you believe. Is it just cosmic coincidence? Or the first sign that the watchers in the dark have finally stirred?